Hey, today we're jumping into 10 schema tips that will make your SurrealDB game a whole lot stronger. Some of these are lesser known than others, but all should hopefully save you some headaches down the road. Let's get started. We start with sets. They're like arrays, but no duplicates. And SurrealDB handles them super easily. Let's say you've got an array with some repeated values. Because we defined orders unique as a set, SurrealDB automatically deduplicates and sorts it. That's perfect for any situation where you want uniqueness baked right in. SurrealDB lets you control not just the type of array elements, but also their count. Here, we define an array of integers with a max of 640 items, and an assertion to ensure all values are between 0 and 255. This is helpful when you're storing things like byte arrays or RGB values. You can even validate each index of an array individually. For example, validating RGB colors that must be exactly 3 integers between 0 and 255. This keeps your data consistent and safe, right at the schema level. Normally, schema-full tables only allow fields you've explicitly defined. But with flexible, you can let object fields accept additional properties dynamically. Now, metadata can take any structure, but you can also define subfields directly for stricter control. You get full control either way. By default, assert gives you built-in error messages, but with throw, you can fully customize them. This gives error output that's as tailored to the end users as you'd like it to be. A lot of legacy systems require datetimes to be displayed in a format that doesn't quite match a datetime. That doesn't mean you have to give up on the precision of a datetime though. Use the time format function to keep the actual data stored as a precise SurrealQL datetime. You get both the precision and human-readable strings that way. Want to ensure a value isn't just there, but not empty? The double exclamation operator helps. Empty values, nones, and nulls will fail the validation. This is a nice shortcut for present checks. If you find that parts of your table or field-specific code are getting a bit long, it might be time to think about moving parts of it to a database-wide parameter. Doing so not only makes the code cleaner, but makes it easier to reuse in other parts of the schema as well. You can model richer error types using SurrealDB's literal types. Those are great for structuring API responses and enforcing consistent error shapes. SurrealDB's graph support goes deep, even inside assert clauses. This lets you enforce relational integrity directly at the schema level, which is really powerful. So, these are 10 schema tips for SurrealQL. I hope you found this helpful, and let us know your favorite tips in the comments or add any of your own. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.